Hey guys, my name is Brian. I'm with bartendingschoolforfree.com. This is Coach Kesser. Today we're going to show you some great football recipes. Football season's coming up. We got tailgating drinks, and if you're maybe hosting a football party, something like that, we got some good ideas for you. This one's called the Alabama Slammer. I've already got ice in my shaker tin here. So to that, I'm going to add 2 ounces of Southern Comfort. Do an ounce of Amaretto. You're getting yelled at by the coach for spilling already. Need an ounce of Sloe Gin here. Do a splash. And I'm going to shake that up. Coach, do you mind filling my cocktail glass up with ice? Thank you kindly. Strain this right in. And then we're going to top that off with some orange juice. And garnish it with an orange. There you go, guys. That's an Alabama Slammer. Uh-oh.
Touchdown!
Oh, there you go.